It has been a absolutely lovely, wonderful first few days of April. We have had some great time spent outside. We've started eating dinner out on the front porch. It has just been so wonderful. And with the warm weather like actually staying, we are planting the garden tomorrow. And so today I'm going to be planting a knockout rose that I was gifted. And so I'm gonna plant that tonight. And then tomorrow is the big day that I've been waiting for so long. I feel like I've just been dreaming of planting a garden for so many months now that it's finally here, I'm just so excited. And so tomorrow we are going to plant the flower garden, and then over the next few weeks we're just gonna watch them grow. I did plant some zinnias a couple weeks ago just to see how they would do like towards the end of March, and that was really early, but I just wanted to see like how hardy are they gonna be if I plant them now. And so they are actually popping out of one of the little garden beds that I have from last year. And so I'm gonna show you guys those, but they're like this big. They're so cute. And a lot of them have popped up the last few days just because we've been getting a lot of rain and having those early spring storms. And so I'm gonna show you what the porch looks like right now. And then I got some ferns for our front porch that we're gonna hang up as well. I still have to get some eye hooks for the front porch. So we did have a storm last night, so the front porch is a little bit of a mess, but oh well, it's reality. So we're gonna go outside and enjoy the sun and the rest of the day and plant a knockout rose. I got them last night and they are doing very well. They're so cute. I'm gonna get them out tomorrow when I plant flowers and kind of like mess with them and take videos of them because they are just the sweetest things ever. I'm gonna try to get one out and show you guys. They're in our garage right now, but when they get old enough, they'll be out with the other ducks. But they're so cute and I'm so excited. They're adorable. I haven't named them yet, and so I think I'm going to, because I'm gonna get to know these little babes more, and so I think I'll name them. But my goal is to mess with them so much that they follow me around like a puppy dog when I'm outside. And so that's the goal. Right now they're really, you know, skittish because they're babies and everything. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. But yeah, we love baby ducks. Super adorable. So cute. How dirty my hands are. I am totally convinced to get gloves after today.